Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just want to start the video off by saying thanks to everyone who came by the live stream last night. And thanks for everyone for subscribing. Up to 1,300 subscribers is just awesome. I appreciate it. That's just a huge number, and thankful for each one of you. Today, I worked on these lights for most of the day. This one isn't finished. This is the last one. I worked from the first floor up to the 6th floor. This is the 6th floor right there. So I'm on like 5.5. So I'm working on this light right here. Just gonna pop the wire in, make it up, put the cover on the junction box, and then set the anchors on this over here for this light. And then there's 2 lights in this room above me in the elevator room. So I'll have to do those. There's like one little chain. They're on these what are called monkey arms, or what we call monkey arms. I shot an anchor into the ceiling on the pan decking, and then there's one little jack chain right there just to hold the monkey arm to the little 90-degree angle. I don't even know what that's called, just a little angle bracket. There will be the 2 lights above in the elevator room will actually be on like a couple feet of chain instead of just one link. So basically that's what I worked on all day. Setting these anchors right here, I almost fell, because these ones get sensors. So all the north side lights, just set the anchors, and then all the south side ones I've been making up, hanging the lights and all that stuff. So I'll just show you that real quick, and then also one more thing at the bottom of the first floor, if I remember, some more fire alarm stuff. Basically, they ran an open fire alarm wire and it looked like crap, so I just re-ran it in pipe. So I'll just show you that, just kind of walk you through it. Some more anchors right there. There's another light, so this is what the light looks like when it's done. Cover, little loop of wire right there, 90-degree MC connector. I didn't run the piping on the boxes, I just set the anchors and the lights, but whoever did the piping did a good job. Fire alarm over here, which is right here. So it looks like it fell. Maybe not. Okay, it looked crooked for a second, but I started out crooked and then it magically went straight, which is weird. But there was a big giant hole, which actually there was a Smurf tube with some wire in it, so I had to cut the Smurf tube off. I forgot to clean this up, so I'll probably do that in a second after this. So the hole's ginormous, but it's just a 1/2-inch pipe with what we call Arlington or Prisoner's collar, little bushing on the end of it. And then I did a back-to-back 90 onto the ceiling, and then it turned out really nice. Just one coupling, got it first try, and then just kicked the 90 down into the box right here. Just turned out really nice and made me really happy because I got it on the first try. But I knew it was going to be easy, but it's just nice that something actually went for me. And today was really good, just working on lights and stuff. So total opposite of yesterday. Yesterday was like half hell, and today was pretty wonderful. The day kind of seems slow, but now that the day's over, it seems fast. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for the support. If you enjoyed, drop a like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you got any questions or if you want to say anything. And I think that's it. Don't forget to check out the live streams, hit the notification bell, and also probably be doing another live stream tonight on Twitch, so check that out as well. Follow me there. big shout out to Big Ballers for always coming by and hanging out and supporting me and just chilling. So appreciate that, brother. And yeah, I think that'll do it. And I forgot something as well, but check out the Instagram and all that other good stuff. So that'll do it, guys. Thanks. See you tomorrow. Peace out.